For Lynx operators using a vision camera with the 8 to 48mm remote control zoom lens, the most common cause of focus problems is that the small silver screws on the back of the lens have loosened over time. When this happens, the spacing between the lens and the camera shifts just enough that the remote control focus can't move far enough to bring the image into sharp focus. Here, I'm testing a camera that a customer reported was difficult to focus. To check it, I zoom the lens out, open the iris, and focus far. If the image can't quite reach a crisp focus in this setup, that's the telltale sign the screws on the back of the lens have loosened. Watch as I push the lens towards the camera, effectively putting the lens back where it wants to be. You can see the image in Finish Lynx gets much clearer. To fix this, I'll first remove the lens from the camera by twisting it to the left. Next, I'll gently tighten the 4 silver screws on the back of the lens. There's no need to over-tighten since the screws can be stripped very easily. All we're doing here is compressing a spring washer underneath the silver ring. That washer sets the spacing between the lens and the camera's image sensor, which restores the remote control focus range so the lens can once again reach sharp focus. Now I'll put the lens back on the camera, being careful not to over-tighten it. Over-tightening here can cause permanent damage to the lens. Finally, in Finish Lynx, I'll test the focus again. After this quick adjustment, the remote control focus should now work and you should be able to achieve a crisp, sharp, in-focus image.